Now, this is another trick that I've learned throughout the years that I've been doing hair. I put glue on the track and I take my scissors and I roll until I can't roll anymore. I kind of eyeball how much I need to roll to close up the centerpiece of my customer's hair. I place a little bit of glue in the middle. Then I press the hair down with some spritz, just a little bit. Then I comb the hair apart from the little centerpiece, and then I blow dry it. And this is how I get that neat closing. I'm going to take my razor comb, and you can get this razor comb from your nearest beauty supply store. And this is how I use the razor comb. I use the large teeth. I use that side first. Put the hair in between my hands, and then I just slide the comb right through the hair. Now, if you laid the tracks exactly how I taught you, ladies, this will be a breeze. You're going to take the comb or the tooth of the comb, and you're just going to razor the hair right on through. Now, when you get around the ear flap area, make sure you be very cautious. You know, this is your first time learning how to do a shortcut, or you want to learn the way that I do the shortcut. You have to take your time around the ear flaps because you don't want to cut too much hair. Now, this is the part where you can get some really good layers. You're going to put the hair in between your fingers like how you see I'm doing here. Have your customer tilt her head back, and you're going to take the comb and slide it right on through. Now, that's how you can get layers without trying too hard or being too complicated on yourself. Now, this method is called notching. I'm using my scissors and I'm going in and taking some of the heaviness and putting layers in at the same time. you're going to lightly spritz your customer's hair in the front where you will use the heat. Do not spritz the back of the hair. You're going to only spritz the 8-inch that we applied in the customer's hair. Also add a little bit of shine. You can also add a little bit of shine. Don't overdo it. I'm flat ironing her ear flaps. You guys can cut it down a little bit more, but I always leave a little room for my customers to tell me how much hair they want left on the side. So we're going to grab our curling iron, and I want you guys to follow the steps that you see here. And all you're doing is curling under. No fancy curling sideways, nothing fancy. Exactly what you see here. This is exactly how I got the finishing look. Take your wide tooth comb, and what you're going to do is you're going to comb it right to the side where you want the hair to lay. Exactly how you see it here in the video. And if you follow the steps on how to layer, you're going to get the exact layers, what you see right here. From the razor to the notching, you guys going to see exactly in this video how I got those layers. And what I'm doing now is I'm taking some of the bulkiness out from the side of the shortcut. And wherever you see on your client's shortcut that need to be taken down, don't be afraid to use your razor comb and just take it down. And this is just a molding process. I like how it came out, but all I'm doing is just putting a little bit more style to it. Now that I'm satisfied with how the shortcut came out, I'm going to take some of my Pump It Up spritz and lightly spray the front, the sides, and the back of her hair and mold it a little bit more. Don't be heavy-handed with the spritz because nobody wants a helmet as a shortcut. Keep that in mind and your style's going to come out perfect. Thank you for purchasing this How to Do a Traditional Shortcut with Jada, and welcome to Yandall Academy.